Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of Mastering Regular Expressions from Beginner to Pro with Regex 101. Last time we mastered quantifiers like plus, question mark, and n to handle repeating patterns. If you missed it, check the link in the description. It's a game changer. Today we're diving into character classes and ranges to match specific sets of characters, like only vowels or a range of letters. By the end, you'll be picking exactly the characters you want and skipping the ones you don't. Let's get started. So what are character classes? They let you define a set of characters to match in a single position. You create one with square brackets like ABC, means match any one of A, B, or C. You can also use ranges inside character classes. For example, A to Z matches any lowercase letter from A to Z, and 0 to 9 matches any digit, yep, that's the same as slash D from episode. You can combine ranges like capital A to capital Z, lowercase a to lowercase z, for any letter, uppercase or lowercase. Here's a cool trick. Negate a character class with a caret at the start like caret ABC to match any character except A, B, or C. These are super precise tools for your Regex toolkit. Let's see them in action on Regex 101. Let's start with a simple character class, matching any lowercase vowel with aeiou. I'm typing aeiou in the regex box. This says match any single character that's A, E, I, O, or U. Here's our test string. Hit enter, and Regex 101 highlights every E, O, A, and I in the text, like E and O in hello, O in world, and A and E apple. The explanation panel says match any character in the set A, E, I, O, U. Now let's tweak the test string to include uppercase vowels. Run it again. It only matches lowercase vowels like E in hello and A in apple. Uppercase vowels like O in world are skipped because A-E-I-O-U is case sensitive. We could add A-E-I-O-U capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U for uppercase, but we'll cover a cleaner way with flags later. Now let's use a range of something practical, matching a hexadecimal digit. Hex digits are 0 to 9 or A to F, or capital A to capital F, used in things like color codes or memory addresses. We'll use 0 to 9 lowercase a to lowercase f, capital A to capital F. I'm typing 0 to 9 lowercase a to lowercase f, capital A to capital F. This means match any digit from 0 to 9 or letter from A to F, or capital A to F. Here's our test string. Run it, and it matches 1, capital F, 2, lowercase a, lowercase b, capital F, 9. It skips capital G, capital H, and capital Z because they're not in the range. The explanation says match any character in the set 0 to 9, lowercase a to lowercase f, capital A to capital F. This is perfect for validating hex values, like checking a color code, hashtag capital F, 00, capital F. We'll build toward that later. Now let's try negation with caret. Let's use caret 0 to 9 to match any character that's not a digit, basically the opposite of slash D. I'm typing caret 0 to 9. This says match any single character that's not a digit. Here's our test string. Run it, and it matches every non-digit. Lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c, lowercase d, lowercase e, lowercase f. Spaces and lowercase x, lowercase y, lowercase z. It skips the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The explanation says match any character not in the set 0 to 9. Negation is awesome for excluding specific characters. Want to try something fun after the video? Test caret A-E-I-O-U to match non-vowels. Time for your challenge. Write a regex to match any uppercase letter followed by a lowercase letter like capital A lowercase b, capital X lowercase y. Use ranges capital A to capital Z for uppercase and lowercase a lowercase z for lowercase. Pause the video, head to Regex 101, and try this test string. My answer for challenge. Try capital A to capital Z, lowercase a to lowercase z. Let's recap. Today we learned character classes like A, B, C, match specific characters ranges like lowercase a to lowercase z for sets of characters, and negation with A, B, C to exclude characters. We matched vowels, hex digits, and non-digits. Got a challenge to match uppercase and lowercase pairs. Next episode we'll explore anchors and boundaries to match the start or end of a string or whole words only. It's going to make your regex razor sharp, so don't miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how your challenge went. See you in episode 5.